Well, it is, what is today? Oh, it is Saturday, September 17th. Farmer's daughter and I, you won't guess where we are. Well, we're in Denver, Colorado, where we are at the Denver Convention Center for the True Value Hardware Show. This is a big place. Let me turn you around here. Here's one of the main aisles here. You can see we've got electrical department. You go further down, there's housewares. Back behind me here is another aisle going this way. As you can see, quite a few people in here roaming around, just looking for great deals on different products. We've got paint department over this way, more paint that way, and we are only in one half of the convention hall here. Let me flip you back around. There's back behind me is another section just as big as this. So we're here for what have we been? We've been here 3 days, leaving this afternoon, this evening, flying back home. We've probably spent, how much money have we spent?
I don't think you want to know.
Apparently I don't want to know. I think we're over $10,000, which that's probably not a lot of money, but for the size store that we've got, that's enough. Okay, we got to see Darius Rucker last night in concert. That was a free concert that True Value supplied for us. All the beer, wine, and food that we can eat. No alcohol, no hard liquor, just beer, wine, sodas, food. Okay. See, she really is here. All right. I think when I get back, I will finally get in the cornfield and start shelling some corn. Rows and rows of product that we can choose from. So as you can see, a lot of these products have savings. So if we buy this 554 piece of hand warmers, we can save 6% if we buy it today, which is not a big savings. $6.34 regularly. If we buy it today, it's $5.99, saving $35. Not a big deal.
So they're taking all the food.
That's what Jim's not working on.
Okay, this is the other side of the convention hall that, as you can see, has just as much product, just different departments. The pottery place, yeah. We didn't buy any of this ugly stuff. Lawn and garden section to our left. Oh, I want to show you a cool thing here. I think this is pretty awesome only because you all know how much I like eagles. But look at this eagle here. I'm going to move the ball here. Isn't that awesome? The way those wings go back and forth. I wanted to buy one, but my daughter would not let me because of this right here. Retail $389, our cost $222. I have to get 4 of them, so I would be spending almost $900 for that beautiful eagle so I could have one. But isn't that awesome? And they have an owl and a cardinal as well. Pretty cool, isn't it? Believe it or not, this one is more expensive at $252 our cost. So the 6-piece rocking bird set, $1,500. You get 3 of each, 3 of the owl, 3 of the cardinal. Needless to say, I'm not getting any.
One step closer for me. There you go, perfect. 1, 2, and 3. There's 1, 2. I can't hear you guys. 3. Oh, come on, wait. 5, 6, 7. Come on, wait. 8, 9. And you did it! Nice job. Porter, you did an awesome job. Do you want to pet her and tell her she did good out here today? You did a good job, too. Give me a high five, Porter. She looks like your dog, but smaller. You can teach your dog how to jump rope. No. Give Porter a big round of applause out here. We're going to bring out all the way from California. She's a 5-year-old nicknamed Shepherd and named after my favorite golden girl. Let's welcome out Blanche.
I'm not paying for this. This is a freebie.
What do you guys think of our little trick dogs out here today? We hope we inspire you guys to do more with your pets at home. Any dog, any age, any breed, any size can learn how to do fun tricks. Now, before we get our next stunt dogs out, I do like to take a minute every show to talk to you guys a little bit about our mission on why we travel and perform with our dogs. Every year, 5 million dogs end up in pounds and shelters all throughout the United States. And out of those 5 million dogs, only 2.5 million of them make it out of those pounds and shelters alive. Now, we don't tell you this today to sadden you. We tell you this in hopes that the next time you're looking for a dog, you check your local rescues and shelters first. Because there's tons and tons of amazing dogs out there. And we tell you this today with complete confidence because every single dog you watch us perform with in our show, they've all been adopted from rescues and shelters all throughout the United States. Thank you. Thank you. We do love our dogs very much. They're our pets before they're our performers. They come home with us at night, and most importantly, they sleep in our bed. Awesome. It's true. Sam and I have 13 dogs, and everything you see the dogs do in the show today, we've taught them to do ourselves. So who's ready for some racing dogs? Woo! Alright, players are all warmed up. We're going to need everybody's help getting these two started. Ready, set, go. Everybody help me out. Ready, set, thank you guys for coming out, and thanks for having us at the True Value Reunion. We're having a blast here. We hope you guys enjoyed the show. Did you guys all have a good time? Excellent. I will walk around the audience after the show. If you do want to say hi to Cricket, she's pretty cute, so she's irresistible, I know. And again, thanks for coming out. While you guys are here, check out all the cool products we have on stage over here. We're going to be showing off a bunch of stuff. And again, thanks for coming out and have a fabulous time at the True Value Reunion.
Unfortunately, we're going to miss it today, but True Value is doing a cook-off, a grilling, what do you call it? Grill and chill is what they're calling it. So out here in the parking lot, they've got a number of companies set up doing some grilling. You can see Weber, Kingsford, Traeger. So over here in this corner, Hellraiser. This is a new brand for that True Value is dealing with, selling barbecue grills. We're probably going to get a couple and put in the store. That is a heavy-duty grill. Unfortunately, this starts at 4 o'clock. We've got to leave out of here at 3:30 to head to the airport to get on a plane, so we're going to miss the grill and chill, unfortunately. But True Value does a pretty good job of feeding us and keeping us drunk. And it's a beautiful day here in Denver for this. Highs, I think, about 80 degrees. And you can see the sun is shining bright. Perfect weather for grilling outside. Well, okay, I'm up here at 54:30. Apparently, this is a very hot spot for the place. This is the place to be, I think. So we're on a rooftop bar in Denver. You can see the mountains in the background here, and I'm having an old-fashioned, but I must say this is probably the worst old-fashioned I've had in a while. I'm probably going to pay about $25 for it, just because of the view that's behind us. But it is what it is. We're enjoying it. We've got about another hour or so before we have to get on the train and head out to the airport to fly back. But in the meantime, we're going to enjoy the drink as much as we can and enjoy the view here. And you can see behind me, it's a full bar at, what is it? Oh, I gotta subtract here. 20 minutes after 2, and the place is filled up. We stayed at this hotel for 3 nights, and we could not get up to the bar either night here because it is a popular spot. And there was a wait list to get up here, and we just couldn't get up. So here we are after we've checked out of the bar, or checked out of the hotel. We can finally get up here to the bar. Well, okay, $17.28. By the time I leave a $3 tip, which is probably too cheap for this, but service wasn't that great. $21 or $20.28 for one of the worst old fashions I've had. But hey, look at this cool leather case they put the bill in for you. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah, not. And this is Coors Field. There was no game here while we were in town, so we did not come out here for a game.
We're here, sort of.
We have landed in Dallas. Hey, did I tell you we were in first class? Yep.
This is the nice first class. This ain't the cheap first class.
Not the cheap first class. All right. We are back in Dallas. It is like 11:30 at night, but we have arrived. I guess we're going that way. Only one door here. Bye-bye, first class. It was nice knowing you. I've never seen this setup before with first class facing two different ways. We were facing the front of the plane, but these people were facing the rear of the plane. Oh.
Did you look? I did.
Well, she didn't finish yet. Oh, we had a lot of ambulatory people on this plane. One day I will be in those wheelchairs. I think when I get back, I will finally get in the cornfield and start shelling some corn. All right, until next time. See ya.